Hello, tech wizards. Welcome back to 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. We're at video 7, and today we're stepping into the exciting world of ChatGPT API integration services. Sounds techie, right? But don't worry, I'll break it down and show you how you can turn your coding or no-coding skills into a serious moneymaker. Let's go. AI is everywhere these days, from chatbots on websites to personalized shopping assistants. Businesses know they need it, but guess what? Most of them have no idea how to integrate tools like ChatGPT into their platforms. That's where you come in, offering API integration services that make their lives easier and your wallet heavier. 1. What is ChatGPT API integration? For the uninitiated, an API, application programming interface, is like a bridge that connects ChatGPT's powerful brain to apps, websites, or software. You'll be the builder of that bridge, making ChatGPT work for businesses. Think custom chatbots for customer service, AI assistants that streamline workflows, personalized shopping recommendations. 2. How can ChatGPT help you? ChatGPT itself can assist you in offering this service. Code assistance. If you're a coder, use ChatGPT to write, debug, or optimize integration scripts. No-code solutions, not a coder? ChatGPT can guide you through platforms like Zapier or Make to create integrations without writing a single line of code. Example prompt. Write Python code to integrate ChatGPT API for a chatbot that answers FAQs. 3. Who needs these services? Spoiler alert, almost everyone. Your potential clients include small businesses. Create chatbots to handle customer queries. E-commerce sites. Set up AI-driven product recommendation engines. Content creators. Automate their workflows, like video captioning or idea generation. 4. How to find clients, freelance platforms. Offer ChatGPT integration gigs on Upwork or Fiverr. Local businesses. Pitch the idea of a custom chatbot for their websites. Tech communities. Join forums like Reddit or LinkedIn groups to network and advertise your services. Example gig title. Custom ChatGPT API integration for websites and apps. 5. Set your pricing charge based on the complexity of the project. Basic integration. £100, $300 for simple tasks like chatbot setup. Advanced solutions, $500 or more for complex projects involving multiple features. Don't forget to include consultation fees for initial discussions. Your expertise is valuable. 6. Upsell like a pro. Once you've impressed your client, offer add-ons to boost your earnings. Maintenance services for the integration. AI training to improve chatbot responses. Additional features like analytics or user behavior tracking. 7. Deliver like a boss, keep your client updated at every step. Test the integration thoroughly to ensure it works seamlessly. Provide documentation or tutorials for easy client onboarding. 8. Why this is a game changer. The demand for AI integration is skyrocketing, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for reliable solutions. With ChatGPT as your assistant, you're not just offering a service, you're delivering innovation. And there you have it, another powerful way to earn with ChatGPT. If you're excited to explore API integrations, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tell us in the comments. What's the first project you'd love to tackle with ChatGPT API? Stay tuned for more genius earning ideas in 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Until next time, happy coding and happy earning.